Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy. Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be bossy. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy.
NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making honey garlic chicken bites. The ingredients that we're going to be using are 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breast, which we're going to cut into 1-inch cubes. 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, salt and pepper to taste. I'm using ADOBO light salt. 1 tablespoon of butter, 4 garlic cloves minced, 1/4 cup of honey, 3 tablespoons of chicken broth. Now you can use 1 or 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, freshly squeezed, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes for garnish, 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley chopped for garnish. And also you can add in 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. Okay guys, you should have all your ingredients now measured out and ready to go. First I'm going to start off with my chicken breast. We're going to go ahead and cut them into 1-inch cubes. Okay guys, I cut my chicken up, and it's okay if the chicken is uneven, mine is. So do your best at cutting it. Next we're going to go ahead and season it with the ground pepper, and I'm using ADOBO light salt. We're going to season that and mix that well. Okay guys, now that you season your chicken, we're going to go ahead and add our cornstarch. And you want to go ahead and mix that up well. Okay guys, now that you season your chicken, we're going to go ahead and add our cornstarch. And you want to go ahead and mix that up well. Okay guys, now that we've mixed our cornstarch, we're going to go over to our frying pan. We're going to add some olive oil and the tablespoon of butter. The olive oil will keep the butter from burning or turning brown. Okay guys, as you can see, I have just a light coating of olive oil. And next I'm going to add my tablespoon of butter. We're going to let that go ahead and melt. Okay guys, now that the butter has melted in the olive oil, we're going to place our chicken pieces in one at a time, like so. Okay guys, all the chicken chunks are in the frying pan. You guys ask, why do you put them in one at a time? You don't want them to stick together. So you're going to raise your heat up to medium high. You're going to keep an eye on your chicken, and you want to cook it 3 to 4 minutes on each side so you get a little crispiness to it. Once you turn these over after 3 to 4 minutes, you should see a nice browning on the chicken, and that's what you're looking for. Okay guys, the chicken is starting to get that brown crispiness I talked about. Make sure you don't overcook your chicken or you're going to have tough chicken. So pay attention to the time, 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Okay guys, look how the chicken is turning out. You can go ahead and give it a swirl. Looks beautiful. Lower down your heat to medium. Now we're going to go ahead and add our honey. We're going to add the lemon juice. I'm going to add the stock, the hot sauce, and we're going to give that a nice stir. Make sure all your meat is coated. Okay guys, I'm going to keep moving the sauce around in the chicken. It will thicken up as you're going along. Now we take our minced garlic and go ahead and add that in and mix it real good. And go ahead and let that cook in with it. Make sure you mix it really good. Blend everything in. Next guys, I'm going to get my pepper flakes. Just going to sprinkle a little bit of them in there. And give that a mix. It smells so good. Again, the aroma, it will have your mouth watering. Okay guys, I've added a little fresh parsley. I mixed it in and then I sprinkled some on the top. So here you guys go. Honey garlic chicken bites. Thanks for watching. Come back again. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef.